Have a dark corner in your home that feels lifeless and bare? Or maybe you're working in an office that never sees the sun? You might think houseplants are off the table, but guess what? There are plants that actually prefer low light, and some even thrive in it. In today's video, we're diving into 11 gorgeous houseplants that don't just survive low light, they turn it into a vibe. Stick around, because some of these beauties have surprising abilities, including purifying your air and practically taking care of themselves. Let's bring life to those dim, forgotten corners starting now. Let's kick things off with the ZZ plant, short for Zamioculcas zamiifolia. If houseplants had a superhero league, this one would be Batman. With its glossy, dark green leaves, the ZZ plant looks exotic, but it's tough as nails. It thrives on neglect, low light, low water, and even poor air circulation don't bother it. It's often called the eternity plant because it lives forever, or at least a really long time. Next up, the legendary snake plant, also known as mother-in, law's tongue. With tall sword-like leaves and striking yellow edges, it's one of the most dramatic plants you can place in a low-light room. But here's the kicker, it's also a NASA-approved air purifier. That's right, this plant removes toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. So not only does it survive in your hallway or bedroom, it's actually cleaning your space too. Say hello to the Pothos, the MVP of trailing vines. This plant doesn't care where you put it on a shelf, in a hanging pot, or wrapped around a curtain rod. Even in low light, its heart-shaped leaves continue to grow, giving you a lush, cascading effect. And if you're really lazy, you can root Pothos in a glass of water and forget about soil altogether. It's that forgiving. The name says it all. The cast iron plant is tough. Native to the dark forest floors of Asia, this plant evolved to live in shade. Its long, dark green leaves make it look elegant and also hide dust and dirt extremely well. If you've got a windowless hallway or a dim foyer, this plant was made for you. The peace lily brings a touch of grace, white, sail-like flowers against rich green leaves. Surprisingly, this beauty can bloom even in low light, though it prefers medium indirect light for regular flowering. But here's what's cool. It wilts dramatically when it needs water, then perks back up like nothing happened. It's dramatic but in a charming houseguest kind of way. The Chinese evergreen, or aglaonema, looks like it's been hand-painted. Its leaves feature speckles, stripes, and variegations in silver, red, pink, or green. But beneath all that flair is a very hardy plant that thrives in shade. It's even used in malls and hotel lobbies because it handles neglect like a champ. Back in the 1800s, if you were wealthy, you had a parlor palm in your sitting room. And for good reason, it loves indirect or filtered light and doesn't like to be fussed with. This feathery palm adds soft texture to any space and is non-toxic to pets, making it perfect for families. With heart-shaped leaves and a trailing habit, philodendrons are beloved by plant lovers everywhere. They adapt to a variety of lighting conditions, and while they prefer indirect light, they'll tolerate the gloom too. Give it a moss pole or let it trail freely, either way, you're winning. Meet the dracaena, especially the Lisa or Janet Craig varieties. Why are they office staples? Because they do well with fluorescent light and almost no natural sunlight. Their tall, narrow leaves grow upright, perfect for tight spaces and clean, modern looks. And yes, they filter the air too. Want a mini jungle vibe? Try English ivy indoors. In low light, it grows a bit slower, but it still grows. It can be trained to climb walls, trail down bookshelves, or wrap around indoor trellises. Plus, it absorbs mold spores and airborne pollutants. Finally, the spider plant, famous for shooting out baby plants or spitterettes like fireworks. It's incredibly tolerant of low light and even inconsistent watering. One plant becomes tin over time, making it a favorite for gifts and plant swaps. Bonus, it's also pet safe. So there you have it, 11 stunning houseplants that prove you don't need sunlight to grow something beautiful. Whether you're decorating a dark office, brightening a shady apartment, or just want low-maintenance greenery, these plants have you covered. But here's the twist. Did you know some of these plants can actually adapt to complete darkness if you use LED grow lights? Let us know in the comments. Which plant surprised you the most? And are there any you've had success with in low light?